getting bigger, don't it? As long as we don't hit, we got good clearance. Even looks like we're here for the night. Been to this place before, but it shows you how dry it is in Nova Scotia. This is crazy. That before was all full of water. And the shoreline. We'll go right up to that tree there. Huh. Yeah, it's pretty sad. Nice view though, beautiful view. I'll take a look over here and show you the river. That was here before. Wow, this is great. And this is where the river once was. Right. It's not good. Not good at all. That was all rushing water one time. Pretty sad, eh? Yeah, we're in a bad drought. We need rain, rain bad. That's where we're staying for the night. Nice and level. Spots up there too. But very nice view. We look out the van and there's what we see. Very dry there though. Used to be out to there. The sun is, but okay. I keep some of my cooking utensils in here too. Main thing I'm after, fire pit. And the propane. It's mainly what we cutting up some chicken breast. Going to put it in the pot here. They're going to mix it together, have a stir fry, throw some rice in there and a bunch of veggies. It's going to be good. Then we're going to have extra chicken breast we're going to cook separately and have that on the side with it, and then make a salad. It's going to be delicious. Move this up again. Oh yeah. Smelling good. Let me get the rice and pour all over in there. And it's delicious. Delicious. Put that on low too. Yeah, turn that on low too. Yeah, you can watch both of them. Chicken's probably almost done here. Wife's helping out there. I put a little bit of barbecue sauce in that too. You want some more in there? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put all our peppers in. Green, red, onions, and mushrooms into stir fry. And then put the rice in after. And put a little bit of butter in here. Give it a little bit of flavor. Yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna be good. Put the top off of that. Go back over to the chicken. Chicken's getting good now. You want to cook it good anyway. So. There you go. She's cooking good. She's cooking good. A little more barbecue sauce in that, huh? You know what? A little bit of barbecue sauce in the stir fry too. I'm gonna hurt it? No. I'm gonna hurt it as well. Turn that one down a little bit more. Fire the rice in the stir fry. Too bad we didn't have any corn to put in there. Oh yeah. Things to do this. Corn sauce all over that. I'll bring you guys over to see it in a minute. Looking good. Here's the stir fry. Don't that look good? We got the chicken, we got the onions, green pepper, red pepper, and the rice. Jasmine rice. So. Well, that's gonna be good. Topped off some plum sauce. Like the rice. Yeah. We got a salad to make yet too. That's coming now. So Look at that chicken. Doesn't it look good? Getting done now. We gotta make sure chicken's done well, guys. You don't want the chicken all messed up. We make some maple bourbon chop kit, salad kit. Put that in, see what that's like. Just gonna get the sauce. Look at the wind. See the wind? Some sauce, bacon bits. Quite a bit of bacon bits, really. I don't know what that one is. Gonna be good, whatever it is. Put the sauce in there and we'll mix it all around. This must be the maple. Maybe a little bit of that in there. Toss that around. Maple bourbon, I guess it's called. I don't know. Should be good. And that supper, we'll plate it up and show you. That looks really good, huh? Look at that. We'll zoom out of that. No, there you go. Chicken stir fry, salad, chicken breast, overlooking the lake. You can't beat that. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Maple bourbon salad, chicken breast stir fry with green peppers, red peppers, and onions and mushrooms. Let's go get into this. Looks good. I'm going to say the maple bourbon salad is delicious. Chicken breast is done perfectly. And then we got our stir fry with the chicken in it. Green pepper, red pepper, and onions and mushrooms. Very, very good. You can't beat it. And look at the view we got eating it, I'll show you. Look at that view eating supper. You can't beat that. Sun's starting to drop down there through the trees. But it'll be a nice sunset tonight. I'll get a nice view of that. So yeah, a very nice spot we got for tonight. And then we'll move on. Get another spot somewhere tomorrow night. Somewhere a little different. And another different meal. Very good. This is my redneck dishwasher. Put some water in the pot. Clean that around. Dish detergent in there. Just clean all your utensils off. You know? That's all you got to do. Take your other one. A little scrunchie from dollar stores, wherever, you know. No, it's good to have clean utensils in the morning. Maybe you're not fumbling around with it, right? So, clean them up good. Down by the lake there, just rinse them off. Done. Done, done. That's how I do it anyway. Spatula. Don't need a whole lot of water. If you got no water around, you use some bottled water or something, right? A little bit. And rinse her off in the lake. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Like that. The only problem's going to be is this one here, the grill one. She's baked in there, look. Baked in there from that chicken. There you go. Take a knife or something, right? Brown that out. I would soak it, but I get not enough water to soak it, so give it a good scraping. It's like a barbecue grill, right? I could use my breast, I guess, but I got that passed away. So this will do. Yep. Clean that one up good as you can, right? You know, it's not going to be perfect. Definitely won't be perfect. But I'm going to get in the way here. I'll rinse that off, and I'll do better another time when they get it home. Put it in the sink or something, right? But yeah, I think that will do for that. That needs a good scrubbing in some hot water, right? There's a squirrel back there. Probably get them coming up close when we have food, right? You know. And I think that's that. I'll take these down to the water. I'll clean that one up now. That's not bad though. Get the white though, excuse me. There you go. Redneck dishwashing. Done. This is a view from inside the van. Isn't that amazing? A perfect sunset. Beautiful night by the fire. Propane fire. No wood. Everything's legal. Yeah, we got a spot in the woods a couple nights. So it's going to be nice boondocking. We're allowed back in the woods now, so. There's the fireplace there, fire pit, but we're not using that. We're using our own. And total darkness out there, low. Might see the odd stars, a few stars, but yeah, she's dark. And then woods there. So, but it was a good night. We had a good night. I did a live and had a beautiful supper. So, Jip's sitting by the fire and hitting on, probably checking about bed. Put something on TV, something, take it easy. Okay, night, guys. Have a good night. See you guys bright and early. I appreciate you for being here watching the videos. Have a good one. See you in the morning. Beautiful morning view. It's gonna be a nice day. Nice. Another camping spot up here. Just up from me. It's a nice area too. People to camp, sun's up. See the lake from here. So it's a nice area. Out here too. So it's a good area for a few people to camp, definitely. There's mine. Yeah, through the woods there. Yeah, had a good sleep. Beautiful sleep last night. Very nice. We'll cook this all up now. That's why we'll have some for later too. We just mix them up in the microwave, possibly. A lot of food. So I just throw them in, then separate them while they're in. Camping style. Might not look pretty. We'll get them all cooked. Bacon is done. Now our scrambled eggs left. And put the bacon pieces in there. Not gonna hurt nobody. You cook your scrambled eggs and a little bit of that bacon fat. Gives you that nice flavor. I like my eggs well done too. Don't like no slime. I'll cook them up good. And poach them and then get up here. I think they're ready to plate. My good hearty breakfast, but yes, I got to put ketchup on it. Eggs, bacon, and sausages, and hash browns. There you go. That look beautiful? Good, good, good. This is what it's all about. Doing my dishes in the lake. Got my pots there on the rock. I'll rinse them out by the log here. And they'll be just like new again. Put them back in the van. So I love this though. And doing it with this view. I mean, what more can you ask for, eh? Now, this is camping. We need more rain though. The lakes are really, really dry. The creeks are done. So I found a little spot here. We'll get this done here. We'll clean her up. We'll get her done. Go on to the next spot.